Your RV fridge stopped cooling on electric power. In 48 hours, you lose all your food. There are 5 causes. We're going to diagnose them in order of probability, starting with the most common one. No opinions, just the troubleshooting sequence the manufacturers publish in their service manuals. Let's begin. Before we start, 3 tools. A digital multimeter. Doesn't need to be expensive. A Phillips head screwdriver. And a flashlight. That's it. Everything else is checking and thinking. Your RV fridge runs on 3 heat sources. Propane, 120 volt electric, or 12 volt battery. Today we're fixing the electric side. The heating element warms ammonia-based coolant. The coolant circulates. The fridge gets cold. No compressor. No freon. Just heat and chemistry. When the electric element fails, the whole system stops. Let's find why. First check. Is your fridge getting 120 volts? Sounds obvious. But 1 in 3 service calls start here. Grab your multimeter. Before you touch anything, check the breaker, then the outlet. Let's see what the numbers say. At the outlet, you need 108 to 132 volts. Below 108, you've got a drop. Check your shore power connection, your extension cord, your pedestal. Above 132, you've got a surge. Unplug immediately. 108 to 132, you're good. Move to cause 2. Cause 2, the heating element. Disconnect power. Remove the cover. Set your multimeter to ohms. Touch both terminals. You're looking for 38 to 52 ohms. Outside that range, the element is dead. Replace it. Move to cause 3. Cause 3, the control board. This is where service calls get expensive. Before you blame the board, verify 120 volts at the element and 12 volts at the board pins. If both are good and the fridge still won't cool on electric, then you look at the board. Not before. Cause 4, the thermistor. Temperature sensor inside the fridge. If it reads wrong, the board thinks the fridge is cold when it's not. Test it at the board connector. Room temperature. You should see around 10,000 ohms. Way off, replace it. Cheap part, 10-minute job. Cause 5, 12 volt power to the board. Surprise! The fridge needs 12 volts to run the control logic, even on electric heat. Check your battery. Check your converter. If the 12 volt side is dead, the board can't tell the element to turn on. Fix the 12 volts. Fix the fridge. 5 checks, in order. Don't skip. 1. Outlet voltage, 108 to 132 volts. 2. Heating element, 38 to 52 ohms. 3. Board pins, 120 volts in, 12 volts logic. 4. Thermistor, 10,000 ohms at room temp. 5. 12 volt supply, battery and converter. Run them. Tick them. Fix or call. 3 mistakes that cost you time. 1. Replacing the element before checking the outlet. 2. Blaming the board with a dead battery. 3. Ignoring the GFCI because it looks fine. Check voltage first. Always. When to call a technician. If you ran the 5 checks and the fridge still won't cool on electric, if you find burnt wires or melted connectors, if you're not comfortable working around 120 volts, call with data. Tell them what you checked. Saves time. Saves money. 2 quick questions. Can I run the fridge on propane while I fix the electric side? Yes. Switch to LP. The cooling unit works the same way. What if I don't have a multimeter? Borrow one. Buy one for $15. You need it for every electrical check on your RV. It's not optional. 5 checks, run them in order, don't skip. If this helped, subscribe. Next diagnostic, RV battery draining while plugged in. RVrated.com. Procedures, not opinions.